Are you ready to learn an effective and amazing twist for the back and for the whole body? Well, that is coming right up. Hey there, this is Shai. I hope you're having an amazing day. I am the founder of the Still Light Center, School of Thai Yoga Massage, and I want to show you how to do this amazing twist that basically anybody can do and receive. All you need are a few key props along the way, and it is just such an incredible way to help open up the body, to help relax the body, to relieve pain in the lower back, to open up the hips. I mean, it is just an all-in-one powerhouse of wonderfulness. Just before I get to it, I want to thank you so much for coming and checking this out and ask you to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the button below and on the little bell next to it so that you get notifications every Wednesday when I post a new video. Alright, so what are we talking about here? So as I mentioned, you are going to need just a couple of props nearby, especially if you're working with someone who is on the tighter or stiffer side, or if you're not too sure. A pillow or maybe even two pillows would be wonderful. And it really is the kind of move that is so essential to give in any kind of massage. And really, if you just have a minute a day to do something to a friend, a loved one, someone that you care about, who's got back issues going on, who's got hip issues, who just needs to stretch and move for even literally just that minute, this is arguably the one. Now, this move is called the hip swirl and twist. So as the name implies, we start with the hips, giving them some beautiful circles, which is so alleviating, so wonderful for the hips, but also for the lower back. And then we gently put you into a twist. And that's where the pillows come in handy. So as you bring the knees down to the side, and you're not actually going to see this in the teaching video that I'm about to show you because I'm doing it on someone who's a little bit more on the flexible side, but if you're stiffer, if you're tight in any kind of way, or if you're not sure, you gently bring those knees down to one side, and then if the knees just don't want to go all the way to the mat, that's where you take the first pillow and put it between the knee and the mat. Then, if there happens to be a gap between the knees as well, that's what you're going to need the second pillow for. So have good props so that you can do this comfortably, supportively for your partner. Now, the other part of a twist is what's going on in the shoulder. So to make sure that you're supporting the shoulder, you want to have that shoulder, when the knees come down, the shoulder should be all the way or almost all the way also on the ground. So if the shoulder wants to come up off the ground, then you might need another pillow there as well. Now, that being said, let's learn how to do the hip swirl and twist. Some people like to put their feet right on their body. Other people like to let the feet dangle. It's up to you. This is called the hip swirl or the hip swirl and twist. Okay, and it goes like this. With 2 hands on the knees, just make some wonderful circles. Okay, so I'm going to use my whirlpool rock. I'm going to start with nice small circles, both directions. And then you can start to widen that. Use your whole body to help make these circles. You're going to help loosen up their back and their hips. And eventually, should be able, in many cases, to let the knees come all the way down to the mat. Once they do, we can do a little palming. We can actually use our knee if we want to get into this juicy spot. So it's another twist, essentially. Kind of a moderate twist, somewhere between the angel twist 1 with the pillow and 2 with the leg crossed over. So all the things you already know how to do, if you want, you could. You could just work the lower legs, or you can, finish with the legs, come to the shoulder, do a seesaw. Ease your way in and start holding the 2 sides longer. So start by pressing one side, then hold the other side, and then reverse shoulder now, then leg. And when you want to bring those knees up, use your whole body, not just your arms. Okay, protect the shoulder. If the arm happened to be up above the shoulder, you would want to bring it down for this. And when we're done, we can simply hold on, gently extend the legs. Well, I hope you like that one. I hope you can see just how beneficial it would be to give and receive that one on the daily. So if you live with someone, if you're close enough with someone that you can practice this with, please do it every day, because it's one thing to put yourself in a twist, and of course that feels really good if you are into self-care, but when someone else can put you in a twist, then you can go that much deeper into it to help not only stretch you out, but also relax you out. It's an entirely different experience, so healthy, so beneficial for the body. So try it out even if you're on the healthier side. But if you are with someone in your life who is stiffer, who is tighter, then you know that they really need to stretch. They really need something like this every single day. It's like the fountain of youth. So please do it, and just post your comments, post your questions below. I would love to hear from you and what you think. And if there are any other things that you want to learn, please as well, post those comments below. I love to make new videos so that I can help and support you. Now I've got over 120 videos here posted on YouTube that teach you all kinds of things about Thai massage, so I encourage you, check out the playlist, check out all kinds of moves to see how you can bring this more into your life. And if you want to study in person, just come find me, come find my teachers on stilllightcenter.com/calendar. That link is posted down below, and you can find us in courses all around North America as well as in Australia. And for now, I just want to wish you amazing massages, and we'll see you soon. Namaste.